When you trade cryptocurrencies, there's so many things to research, and blockchain technology is one of the fastest growing industries. Breaking news can occur at any time, and you as a trader must learn how to predict sudden events and changes. For that, you should use essential research tools, and that's why I'm here. Watch this video to learn the top 9 essential research tools to help you to keep up with crypto trends. Hey guys, Shad here with the EXMO cryptocurrency exchange. Do you want to keep up with the latest crypto trends? Well, I'm here to help. Let me introduce you to the top 9 essential research tools. Without further delay, let's get started. Twitter trends tend to be one of the best platforms for essential news that will eventually change the crypto market. Don't you remember how Elon Musk changed the price of Bitcoin just by mentioning it in his bio? Follow crypto Twitter hashtags, follow the leaders of the industry and companies. You might consider following Vitalik Buterin, the co-founder of Ethereum, Brian Armstrong, the CEO of Coinbase, Elon Musk, well, you know who that is, and many others. Twitter is also the perfect platform for the latest world news, which is essential for fundamental analysis and macro analysis. By the way, do not be shy and try to ask the crypto community about the latest info. Who knows? Maybe Elon Musk will pay you a visit and reply to your tweet. Another essential research tool is called CoinGecko. It's a website that allows traders to monitor aggregated activity and popularity rates of crypto assets. Up-to-date information, statistics, cryptocurrency prices, market caps, 24-hour volume, and other important information about the crypto world is regularly updated. CoinGecko also provides easy access to a project's website, Telegram groups, social media, and other important information. Here, you can favorite coins and add them to your portfolio, which means that you don't need to search over 5,000 coins. Another great feature for your essential research is that CoinGecko displays the smart contract address for tokens. In other words, you can just copy the address and check it on Etherscan. This can be helpful when using dexes for buying or selling coins, and also just checking the trust of the contract. CoinGecko is really a treasure box with a lot of information, but don't forget that source material is always better than the real thing. So what I mean is that you need to monitor the website of your tokens in your portfolio. There you will find all the necessary information about the latest changes. New projects usually have attractive, user-friendly websites where you can find all of the necessary features of a new coin, and you can also find links to a project website on CoinGecko, which can be potentially safer than just Googling it. Actually, it's much safer. You should always try and go on a project and bookmark it. A project's website usually has a lot of links to blog and social platforms where you can further evaluate the pros and cons of a new coin. A project's website is good, but you also need to learn from industry experts. Blogs are a fantastic source with the latest crypto trends. Regular information from leading crypto experts and professionals is what every trader needs. Medium is, in my opinion, one of the best blogging platforms with thousands upon thousands of posts. Where you find a project you like on CoinGecko, it might be worth checking if they have a Medium blog. Medium blog posts are usually free to write and free to view. Substack is another good platform of choice when we are talking about blogs. It provides insights into the latest crypto trends. Also, don't forget about exchange blogs like EXMO, InfoHub, and others, where you can find really good information while researching. 10 years ago, almost nobody talked about cryptocurrency. Nobody thought that this could be something serious, and now we have a lot of news outlets that are devoted to the topic. You might be familiar with the most famous news outlets, such as Cointelegraph, CoinMarketCap, CoinDesk, Decrypt, Crypto News, but personally, I read most of them. It can be a part of your morning routine when you grab a cup of coffee, open a page of your favorite news website, and read about the crypto world. It's just important that you familiarize yourself with quality content that will keep you up to date with all industry news. Another integral part of essential research is technical analysis. Websites like Glassnode can become your gateway to on-chain data access across most popular blockchains. It covers all kinds of statistics such as number of new crypto addresses, number of active crypto addresses, flow of cryptocurrency from miners to exchanges, Bitcoin data, and much, much more. You can also check out Lunar Crush, which is a great website that helps you to keep up to date with the latest crypto social trends. It aggregates the most searched cryptocurrencies across various social platforms and provides comprehensive data with a unique perspective. Etherscan, Blockchain.com, BSC Scan are also good websites to look into statistics of various cryptocurrencies. They're not really going to provide you in-depth data like Glassnode, but they are certainly worth your time to check out. There's also Telegram channels, which are a great source of information. On CoinGecko, you can find a lot of useful Telegram links for crypto projects and official Discord channels or Telegram groups of a project you research. If a project has a good official Discord group, this is often an indication that the project is legitimate. Discord and Telegram groups will keep you in touch with the latest trends. There is no better source of information currently than YouTube. Hundreds of channels, crypto podcasts, and news videos are available for you to watch. Try to find a video podcast about your favorite cryptocurrency as early as possible. Here are a few channels that you might want to check out. Crypto Love, this is one of the most eccentric crypto channels on YouTube. The host of the channel is Randall, who is very good at predicting crypto trends. There's also, of course, Ivan on Tech. The channel is hosted by Ivan Lilishquish from, I don't know how to say that, from Stockholm, Sweden, and is perhaps one of the most well-known faces in cryptocurrency on YouTube. There's also Data Dash, my personal favorite. The channel is hosted by YouTuber Nicholas Merton and is the best place for trading tips. Here you can learn interesting facts about trading. And of course, there's EXMO Official, your best source for the latest crypto events. The best way of researching involves a constant iterative process of surfing the internet and gaining new knowledge on the topic. Keep learning new skills when trading on crypto platforms. Don't stop. And don't forget about the basics of technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and portfolio theory. These three powerful tools will help you carve a successful trading path anywhere you go. So you've already made your first step to self-education by choosing to learn with our courses, but you shouldn't stop here. Watch more videos, read more trading materials, and learn more efficient skills to become a good trader. So now you know what the top 9 sources for essential research are, but I encourage you to go out and find even more reliable crypto sources. Do not forget that the more information you have, the better your decisions and analysis will probably be. So learn constantly because knowledge is of course your best weapon in trading. Bye for now.